Hello, welcome back to the TV room. Where things have not gone so well. They have not. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to have another look at the connections on the chip, or sorry, the socket that I soldered in, to see if I see any that don't look. Oh. There's one that does seem to have a bit of a hole to it. Alright. So, now, do I think that's the problem? It could be. Did I miss one? I don't think so. Alright. I'm going for another plug. But you never know, you know. Alexa, set an alarm for 5 minutes from now.
5-minute alarm set for 7:20.
So, when I look down here, this one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe the 9th one along. Doesn't look right. I don't think it's touching the one next door. Let me get my very powerful glasses on again and have a look. Oh, it could be touching the one next door. And it might not be full. Imagine that. Well, we'll get that sorted out. We will. And something like that could cause exactly the sort of thing where a pin is shorted out against another pin. How did that happen? I just don't know. Anyway, we'll see. Sometimes it's a good thing to walk away and say, okay, what could this possibly be? What could it be? What could it be? I would not think that the iron is ready. It takes a while for these things to heat up. I will apply a tiny bit of solder. Oh, it's smoking. That's possible. I think I will hit it with the... Oh yeah. I've got it in the paper towel that is wet. Alright, now I'll put on the not incredibly but still strong glasses. And I'm going to get down here to where I think the trouble might be. Let's see. Alright, we'll put that down. Get the incredibly strong glasses again. And we'll have a look. And I don't believe the two pins are touching, but I do believe that the solder on this one is perhaps taking liberties. Now I'm taking a very close look at everything, and I think that that's it. I would bet that's all it would take. So we will turn this over. I will put 6526 chip in. It's in. Monitor in. Power in. Where? Oh, centipede. Centipede in. Oh, that didn't sound good. Okay, centipede in. Joystick in. And I think the power supply is still plugged in. Let's see. Oh, just a second. Move things away. And get this sitting nicely. The paper is stuck. Oh, come on. Oh, I see. The paper got stuck on the cartridge. Okay. Things happen. Alright, I think paper is nicely underneath. Alexa! Stop that! Okay. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, it comes up, it says press F1. Ah! Okay, now I have to take this out. I have to move this over here. And I can start firing. And I can die. Alright, so there was a successful repair. Oh, was I not able to? Oh no, I can move up. Okay. I've now moved up out of the way of things. Oh no, somebody's coming to get me. They're coming to get me. Oh no. Where did all these goobers come from? I'm doomed. I'm dead. Alright. Okay. Back to this port. Right. Back to this port. Okay, we're on to another round. You can always tell because the color has changed. It's a STEM spider round. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead again. And there's that damn spider. There's the damn spider. Okay. Enough of this. I'm going down. I'm going to kill things. Waste of nothing, but they keep on. There's more and more. I'm dead. Okay, is that it? Okay, the game is over. Okay, so pause for a moment. All right, we need to get the soldering iron unplugged because it's hot. Oh dear. It's not needed at the moment. Microphone. Okay. Soldering iron off. I'm going to give it, well, even though it's still hot, I'm going to give it a little rub down in the imaginary replacement sponge. Okay. All right. So now we can take out some things here, such as the cartridge and the joystick. And there's the bad chip. There's a good chip. I suppose I should take out the harness again and reconnect it. Certainly, I had done something that did affect the results. I did. Keyboard, cassette. This is joystick port 1. This is joystick port 2. Into the bag we go for the cartridge. Is the paper in the way again? Maybe. Okay, cartridge is in. Serial port thing is in. Almost in. Oh dear. That bent funny. Okay, it's in. What have I forgotten? I don't think I've forgotten anything. And I think I have it all lined up. So I'll turn it on. Oh, now what? What have I done? Oh. Alright, it might have been not on the right switch. Okay, there we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. So let's watch all the little lights. Just doing RAM testing, color testing. Keyboard, okay. Look at that. It's magic. So all of that torment and turmoil created by one connection where the solder had just crept next door. That is why it is good to have some really powerful glasses handy. Okay, that is hot. It is hot. All right. So while I'm here, before I have a chance to forget, I'm going to put this 6526 chip back into that 64. I am. Alright, so it comes up as just perfect and dandy. It does. I think what I'm going to do now is say that was fun. Be careful out there when you're soldering. Don't burn yourself. Don't let the solder go between the chips. So thanks for coming to the TV room. We will meet again, and then I'm going to try and reach up and do this